Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make egg roast like a pro plus tips. Ingredients needed are your flour, your nutmeg, your baking powder, your sugar, your salt. Combine all together, mix all together. Add in your butter and combine until smooth. Add in your water. Add your water gradually because some flours consume more water than others, while some are not. So you have to be careful with your water so that you don't put excess water. Okay, so continue adding and mixing. Mix your dough very well. Mix, continue mixing, please, but don't over mix it. Okay, mix. Allow to rest for 10 minutes. Flour your whatever you are going to use for your egg roast. Flour it so that it will not stick to the pan. Flour your hands so that your hands will not be sticky. Cut your dough. Don't allow the flours to touch the edges of the dough. You can see how I'm pressing it. I did not force the egg roll inside. You have to be gently with the dough, with the egg, gently with the egg. Use your index finger to push it down gradually. Seal it up. If your flour touches the edges, know that it will, when you are frying, it will open. Okay, so you have to be careful when you are closing it so that it will not, the flour will not get to the edges. Repeat the process for all the other egg roasts. Please use only 5 egg roasts. If you are using it for commercial, use only 5 egg roasts. But if not, if you are using it at home, you feel free to use 6. And if you want to add milk to your egg roll, you are free to use milk. But this is, try this recipe without milk first, then if you still want to add milk, you add milk. It still comes out great. Okay, so continue the process. Please seal your egg roll well. If not, while frying is going to open, your egg roll will burst out. So repeat the process for all your egg rolls. You can decide to cut your dough into the number of egg rolls you want so that it can be even. Okay, but me, I'm cutting mine direct. You can decide to roll this out in a flat surface as well. Also, please know that too much of baking powder will make your egg rolls open during frying. Also, your butter, too much of it will make your egg rolls crack, to make your egg rolls scattered. So be careful with your butter and your baking powder. Before frying, your oil have to be very hot. Then you reduce your heat to medium, because during your frying, if your fire is too hot, if your oil is too hot, your egg roast will get burnt and it will not cook to the inside. And also, when the oil, your fire is too low, your egg will soak oil. So you have to be careful and you have to be patient while frying egg rolls, because egg rolls take time to fry. So please do not overcrowd your egg rolls, because if you overcrowd your egg rolls, they will not have space to expand. Egg rolls need space to expand. Okay, so do not overcrowd it, allow space. Quickly turn your egg rolls after you add them to your oil, so that it will not get burnt at the bottom. And also, one tip is for you to have enough oil. Use plenty of oil while frying egg rolls, so that it will cook well on all sides. Okay, when you use smaller oil, it will only fry most of the times. Half of your egg roll might not cook well. So with this method, your egg rolls will cook in and out all around to come out perfectly, to come out beautifully. Okay, and egg rolls, you will have to continue practicing. Practicing make perfect. Okay, it takes me a while to perfect egg rolls, so keep practicing, and look at that beauty. So delicious, it looks so delicious, yummy, perfectly made. So just follow all the tips I've given to you on this video and you become a pro at making egg rolls. Look at that. So yummy, delicious. Thank you for watching.